short, she too tall, she too old. I agree, but I like her so. She go.
Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon everyone. I greet you all according to your time and time you come across this video. If you are seeing this pretty face for the first time, you are welcome to Chichi Lifestyle. Please do well to subscribe, do well to like, watch my video, comment, and also please share. And for my returning subscribers, thank you everyone, thank you so much. I love you guys all for your views, your watch, and everything. Thank you everyone for your support. I really appreciate it. So today is Sunday morning and I didn't go to church. You know why? God please forgive me. Yes, I couldn't make it because throughout yesterday I was in the shop throughout, so I couldn't make it to make my stew and do some things yesterday. So that is the reason why I did not go to church today. But my children went to church. They're just coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the cooking that we're going to be making today in our African village kitchen. Yeah. So if you stay very well, you know that, and you will notice that I'm inside my local kitchen. Yeah, so I'm inside my kitchen now, as you can see. Yeah, so at this moment I'm planning to make stew. Do you know what? I'm planning to make two different dishes today. Would I say two or three? Yeah, I'm going to be cooking jollof rice, I'm going to be cooking white rice, I'm also going to be making stew. Yeah, so I'm going to be cooking three things now. When I mean now, so my time starts now. So I'm going to take you guys along. The ones I can capture, the ones I can video, I will carry you guys along. Okay, so please do what to like, do what to subscribe, do what to share, do what to follow, comment, and also what do you think about this video. Okay, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. For those that have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do well to support me by subscribing to my channel and also watch my video, like, comment, and also share. I love you guys. So come along, let's do the cooking. Yeah. So I'm pounding my pepper and my tomato. Otonya na cup of tea bien. So my tomato. Can I pass? Oh, sorry, your friend now. So pounding tomato, as you can see. So pounding my tomato already, as you can see. So adding my tomato. So this is my tomato paste. That is my tomato paste. So this one is sachet on. So this is my tomatoes. As you can see, my patty jollof. I love this tomato so much. So I'm going to be using this one. I'm adding water. The reason why I'm adding water so that this one will run with the fresh tomato. I suppose put this one first, but just because the oil is so much and this one is not ready, so I have to put my sachet, my fresh tomato before this one. So I'm going to be adding water on this one too. When I put it, it will run with the fresh one. You understand? So this is it. So guys, if my background is not clear, my this thing or my is not good looking, pardon, okay. You know, it's not everyone that has the opportunity to burn in a golden spoon or a silver spoon. So that is it. So I'm going to be adding it. I'll be adding it. Then I will add water to raise it. I'm turning it so the thing will run together. If it didn't round, this one is going to be burning down. So I have to turn it very well for it to ram together. Let them marry themselves, right? Yeah. So let the fresh tomato and the tomato paste, let them marry themselves as husband and wife. So that is why I'm turning it like this, and I'm going to cover it. I'll cover it. I'll put my oil between. Cover it. Yes, so guys, so do you see our skin now? So ready. Yeah, the color is very coloring. So at this point, our stew, as you can see now, the stew is ready. I never put water, and I go still put water. So now I'm adding my seasoning. This one is curry. Yes, so this is curry. I'm adding my curry powder. I've used this, so I'm going to use it for 3 good times. Yes, I know like plenty curry for this thing. So now I'll be adding my seasoning cube, my salt, and the rest. Nothing else to add, just to add my cube. So this is my cube. I'm going to be adding this cube on it. Yeah. So this is my seasoning, my cube, right? Yeah. So I'm going to be adding my chicken stock. I'll be putting my chicken stock. Yeah, it's not much. Just I'll be adding it. Still add water to raise them well. Yes. So raise and add. You don't tell me to come and put soup for fetch. My chicken meat. My soup is almost ready. So guys, I think at this point our soup still is ready. Yeah, it's ready as you can see. So I'm going to bring it down. So our stew is done now. Voila, it's all still calm. Yeah. So guys, we are done cooking our stew. So now is ready to cook. First of all, I have to remove the dirty. You know, it's local one, so I have to remove. There is lot of dirty and sand on it with small stone. So I'm done removing the dirties and the everything already. So my water has boiled already. I'm going to be pouring it directly in my pot. Put it. This is parboiling bar. Then after some minutes, I will bring it down and wash it. So now I'm washing my rice. You can see. So this is how I'm washing my local rice. Whenever I'm cooking local rice, I wash it this way. Understand? So here is my rice. So this is how I wash it. See? So when you're washing like this, all the small stone and the sand will go down. Now normally, if we dey cook local rice, plenty sand. There's plenty sand on it. So this is why we do it like this before we cook. Okay? So here is our white rice. So I like putting salt whenever I'm cooking white rice. Yes, I like adding salt. So this is it. So guys, our food is ready. Yes, our food is ready. Our food is ready. It's ready. Okay, maybe did that. Okay, maybe did. So see mommy finish cooking. And my daughter is enjoying her food. Richard, see your daughter. See your daughter. But there's been plenty of people on it, but the pepper is too much. It's not that much. Okay. Thank you.